Hey guys, welcome to Toys in the Kitchen. We got days worth. That means tomorrow we're going to do another part where we're going to show you more stuff. And today we're going to show you more stuff. But right now starts our barbecue sauce, really all our sauces. We're putting them all on sale. So go to Amazon Prime, check out all our sauces because they're all discounted for the holidays till the end of the year, okay? So grab yourself some sauce as a gift and let's get started on this episode. So throughout the year, a lot of things are sent to the show, and I picked and choose the ones I personally liked, and I want to show them to you as recommendations for the foodie in your family for Christmas. All right? So it is Black Friday. Everybody's shopping this weekend. It's going to be awesome. Be nice, be loving, and let's get this started. Hey, I don't know if you know it, but the BBQ Dragon is like one of my favorite toys, and they've come out with a new product, the BBQ Dragon Company. It is this stone here, and I'm showing it to you first because we're going to experiment today. We're going to cook on this stone. We're going to smoke some venison ribs on this stone. We're going to turn my kettle barbecue. All you Weber kettle fans out there, you're going to want one of these because it's a pizza stone, it's a smoking stone, it's a roasting stone. All it does is deflect the heat so you don't have direct heat. All right, so we're going to be taking this outside and using this. That's why I'm showing it to you first so we can get the food started. So we will show you what that's like. You can grill, bake, roast, and smoke all with charcoal or flavored wood or whatever you want to do. So it's by the BBQ Dragon, guys. I will have links to every product I show you today down below from the people who sent it to me. Okay, you probably want to know, why am I showing two products at the same time? Because it's from the same company. It's from the Anglink company. I have the barbecue gloves they sent me, Anglink barbecue gloves, and I have the waterproof barbecue cover. For the person that you may not know what kind of barbecue they have, this is a generic, covers all barbecues. It's got a little carry bag. It's really nice. It's a grill cover, heavy duty, and it's really heavy duty. I can't tell you how thick this is. This is probably like the one I paid lots of money for. But this is very inexpensive. It's waterproof. So everybody who has a grill should have a cover. If they don't, this is the cover you want to get. Double stitched, heat sealed seams, 58 inches barbecue cover. So if your barbecue is 58 inches, this is going to work, or anything smaller than that, this cover will work. All right? Now these gloves, we're going to experiment with them right now and make sure that these gloves are good to go. Because they claim to go up to, that can't be right. This says 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't even know what that is. I don't think any stove can do that. 1,472 degrees. I've never heard of that. My gloves only go to 450. These gloves go to, it says right here, heat protection up to 1,400. Have you ever heard that? 1,472 degrees? Well, we're cranking up our oven right now. We're heating a cookie sheet to 450 degrees. We're going to have Tammy put a glove on and grab the cookie sheet like we always do when we get gloves to test them out to see if the heat goes through the glove or not. So she's going to reach in. She's going to grab a pan that's been in the oven, 450 degrees. She's putting her hand on it. You can't feel anything? You feel nothing? She's touched everything in the oven. Okay, guys, I know this season you're going to be making cookies, and I got these tiny little cookie cutters from you guys all know Wish.com website where they sell everything really cheap. I think this is like $1. It's from YWX company, and it's got like spring loaded, so you can do your cookie cutting and get the figure right on the front of the cookie. That's kind of cool. Most cookie cutters just cut. This puts a figure on it. So you got a Christmas ornament. You have the Christmas tree. You have the gingerbread man. And you have a snowman. So there you go. You get a whole set of them for like a buck, I think it was. But check it out. I'll have the link down below. And it was very inexpensive. So I grabbed the whole set. This is kind of a cool device I saw and I picked up myself personally. It's a tomato cutter. It's already got the grooves in it, So you can slice your tomatoes perfectly if you're going to be like displaying the food and you want nice slices. You just cut right into the grooves, and it gives you a guide for slicing each cut.
Mm-hmm.
You're cutting right through.
Yeah, I can't see.
Just slice through them. We'll just film you slicing through them. There you go. And as you can see, the tomato is perfectly cut. It looks like TV show material. Our next item is a silicone pouring lip. You wonder what that is? Well, let's say I made soup today. I got water in here. But let's say that's soup and I want to pour it out to people. I can just place this right on the edge. There we go. Just like that. And pour it without, oh, that didn't work. So, I will not be recommending the silicone pouring lip. I thank the person who sent it to me, but I just can't recommend it because it doesn't work. Okay, you've probably seen this next item on Instagram. It's advertised all the time. It is they're like, I call them sticky strips, and it allows me to attach my phone or iPad or whatever to wherever I want, in the car, in the kitchen. I'm showing you this because I think it's great for in the kitchen when you're talking on the phone or you're watching a recipe video of mine and you're trying to cook what I'm cooking. Okay, we're gonna stick it right here. It's really sticky and washable. When you wash it, you don't lose it. You can just put it on any way you want. Tammy's probably freaking out because it's crooked, but it's really sticky. Okay, we're gonna place my phone right up here, just like that. Look at that, it's holding my phone. Awesome, and you can wash that as many times as you want. I'm sure the stickiness will go away over time, but mostly it's really, really strong. It's really, really strong. Let's see. Like I can show you how strong it is. Look, I can't even take my phone off. It's stuck. Yep, comes right off. Okay, we have these set of 3 slicers. They're peelers, they're shredders, they're really sharp. So you've seen these probably on Instagram too. A company named sent them to me. I'll have the link down below. It's really great if you gotta buy inexpensive gifts for people and they're foodies. They're gonna need a peeler. Looks good. It's working. Mm-hmm. I don't know if you've ever shredded cabbage, but it's a great tool for making coleslaw, or if you're going to be cooking up cabbage. You know, some of you Germans do cabbage and bacon. It shreds very nicely. Now let's do the peeling. Use it as a regular peeler. Peeling smooth?
Mm-hmm. Different designs too.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they're all razor sharp. Wow. I like how it leaves the lines behind. That's kind of cool. So Household Wonders sent me this beautiful serving tray. You could use it for the holidays. They sent me one that wasn't a holiday-ish color or wood, and it's going to be used all year round at our house. It's for carrying a lot of things. I never have I have to use cookie sheets to carry things and serve things. This is great for serving things. This is really nice. So I promised you some things. Number 1, all our sauces are on sale right now. So you can go do some Christmas shopping. Number 2, I'm giving away the gloves. I'm giving away a brand new package of 2 sticky strips. I'm giving away my cookie cutters if you're a baker. I'm giving away the tomato slicer. And I'm sending you 1 show apron. That's today's giveaway. Don't forget, tomorrow there is more. So tune in tomorrow for more giveaways and more products, and we'll show you more recommendations for Christmas. All right? Thanks for joining me at Toys in the Kitchen. I love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.